How to add multiple stops in Google Maps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add multiple stops to Google Maps. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your Google Map. After that, you can then find a location, you can search for it as well. So search for the location that you want to go to. So let's say that this is the location that I want to go to. I'll just add in the directions here. And on the location, you can edit the location from here. So I'll just choose a location. You can choose whichever location that you want. I'm just doing this at random. And doing that, what I can now do is now I can add a location. So this is the spot that I want to begin at, and this is the stop that I want to end. So to add different routes or add different stops, what I can do is I can tap on this icon right here on the three dots right here, and then tap on edit stops. Here you will see point B, A and B. Now you can add this point B to at the middle to add a new stop. So let's say that I want to stop at somewhere middle. So I'll just type in something. So let's say I'll type in this here and add this stop. So as you can see now the stop has been added. Now what I can do is I can tap on done. What this will do is this will give me a route from point A to point B to point C. And that way now I can go to uh, this spot, the spot that I originally wanted, but with additional stops. And you can keep on adding stops by tapping on the three dots and tapping on edit stops. And yeah, that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.